Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. And today I'm doing another video on how to change the blade on a Andis T-Outliners. I'm using a Andis GTX blade, and this is a very simple process. I've done it in maybe one or two other videos on my channel. I was actually changing my T-Outliner blades, and I said, hey, it's a good opportunity to go ahead and make another video for YouTube, just in case those people out there haven't ran into my videos with the other T-Outliner blades. Anyways, what I just did was unscrew the old GTX blade right now. Um, just moving the cutter and stationary blade. All I did was unscrew everything, took it off, and about to try to clean off the little excess hairs on the on the clipper. I had already took a razor and scratched a line through the new GTX box, and just showing you guys the case that it comes in, showing you that it is a GTX blade, and you can use the Andis GTX blade on a regular T-Outliner with no issues. Okay, so now I got the blade out of the package, and there's a cutter and the stationary blade, which is the moving and the stationary blade. Now what I'm doing is trying to see if I could zero gap it. So all you would do is turn the blade around, unscrew that top and bottom screw that keeps the cutter blade in position. And then what you would do is slide the cutter blade up forward to where it is right exactly lined up with the stationary blade. And what I just did was tighten it up. Okay, so I'm trying to maneuver it, make sure it's right. Now it's flush with the actual stationary blade. Those are the two screws I was talking about right there. You want to unscrew them. Make sure the stationary, once you unscrew them, you loosen up a little bit. You don't take them off all the way. You loosen them up a little bit, and that way you're able to slide the moving blade or the cutter blade forward. Once you slide them forward, you go ahead and tighten them up, and then you put the blade back on the actual trimmer, and you use the screws and you screw it back on, and that's it. It's pretty much it. It's nothing hard to it. It's not rocket science. It's actually straight to the point. You just want to make sure that those two screws that you loosen, you want to tighten them back up real good and make sure that the cutter blade is right on, exactly lined up with the stationary blade. Like I said, very simple, very straight to the point, not a big deal. Now I'm screwing the actual blade on with the cutter blade attached to it. And once we get that done, you want to make sure everything's good by trying to line it up. What I do is I push the actual blade against a flat surface, and that's about it. So I'm checking it now just to make sure everything's good. Trying to slide the blade around to make sure there's no movement. If there is, push that down. There we go. You tighten it up real good right here. Once you get everything lined up and tightened real good, you should be in a good spot. There it is. So what I'm doing now is plugging everything in. Go for a test run. Turn everything on. Make sure it's not too sharp, it's not cutting me. And this is where I normally test my blades to make sure everything's good. Everything's good. Got any questions? Go ahead and comment below. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to add me on Instagram. Peace.